All electric cell having two terminals, longer one, shorter one. Longer terminal positive, shorter one is negative. This already we have discussed. And then battery. Battery means group of cells, number of cells joined together. One cell, second cell, third cell, like this any number of cells may be joined together. While joining the cells, you must take care that the negative of one cell should be connected to positive. You should not connect negative of both the cells. So this is the battery. Cell, battery. Then coming for the switch. Here if we, instead of using the word switch, we can use the word key, or it is key. Key, there are so many types of keys. Here we are using a key that is plug type. This is a kind of key. What actually it is, there are two conductors like this. One conductor, another conductor. This is joined in the circuit to any point. This will be joined to the circuit to any other point. Now there is a gap between them. There is a gap. If we connect this key, and this will be called as open key. This is open key. If we want to flow the current, then the switch must be closed. Here, this is another key. This is closed key. If you put the dot, that is closed key. Cell, battery, open switch or open key, and a closed key. This is closed key. Now coming to the bulb. The bulb, it is like a filament like structure, then a circle. This is the bulb. These components have already discussed in the earlier classes. Now we move on to the new components. So in this class also we have discussed two components. One is ammeter. This is ammeter. A plus minus. This is ammeter. And the another component, this is voltmeter, plus minus. It is also now two components. They are also electrical components which we are using. Then coming for more components, they are, first one is the resistor. Now let me use this space. This is one component is resistor. What actually the resistor is, we will discuss later on. Resistor is a component. It is a component. It may be the conductor through which electric current can flow. Through the resistor, the electric current can flow. For the flow of electric current, it opposes. That resistor is shown like this. It is the symbol of resistor. And this resistor, here its value, it has some value. Some value means some value for oppose the electric current. Here its value is fixed. Its value is fixed. If its value is to be changed, then we use variable resistor. It is variable resistor. Variable resistor. That is shown like this. An arrow. Variable resistor whose value can be changed. In this also the opposition for the flow of electric current, it is also giving opposition, but here the value can be changed. And this variable resistor can also be shown in another way, or it can also be shown in another way like this. It is resistor like structure and an arrow at the upper side. This is also the variable resistor, but this variable resistor is specially called, it is known as a rheostat. 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 Rheostat, that is also known as the variable resistor. So it is a component. These are also the components. And then in any electrical circuit, we may have the network. Network means many wires are joined together. Many wires are joined together to make a complex structure. In that, the wires may cross one another. While the wires are crossing, and that makes two things. Junction. That makes junction. Junction, you know from the word. Junction means from different directions the wires are coming, they are meeting at a single point. And this is one wire, this is another wire, third wire, fourth wire. All the wires are taken and they are meeting at a single point. And through these wires, the electric current may flow. And this is the junction with joint. So otherwise we took 4 wires are meeting at this point. Otherwise it can shown in another way also. Another way means, let me rub it. If we take 2 wires, one wire is taken in this direction, another wire, second wire, it is taken from this direction and it is going to cross the first wire. While crossing the first wire, it is meeting. Here we have the meeting point. They are joined. And this we call the junction with meeting point, joint. Otherwise, it can be shown in another way. 2 wires. One wire is taken in this direction. Another wire is going to cross. But here there will be no meeting point. There will be no joint. There is a joint. Here it is the crossing wire without joint. Without joint means it should be shown like this. This is shown like this. That means this wire is crossing without any joint. It may go upper side or lower side of the first wire. Both these are crossing with the joint, without joint. This is also the symbol in electricity. So these are the symbols of many of the electrical components that we'll discuss. Cell, battery, key, open key, closed key, bulb, resistor, variable resistor, rheostat, junction like this. Junction means crossing with the joint, crossing without joint. These are the some of the electrical components or symbols which we use in the electrical components. They are required to study the electric circuit. Right. Now, we know we have discussed some basic terms related to this electric current. In the first, it was electric current, next potential difference, and now electric circuit. The next step is how this potential difference and electric current are related. That has to be discussed. This relation between electric current and potential difference. Earlier I said, for the flow of electric current through a conductor, what is required? A potential difference must be established across the conductor. This is the conductor. Once again I write conductor, and through the conductor we want to flow the electric current. We want to flow the charges. For the flow of charges, for the flow of electric current, what is required? The potential difference must be established. For the potential difference, to set up the potential difference across the terminals, the source of electric current is required, that is cell or battery. Cell or battery. Here a cell is connected. Now it makes a simple circuit, we can say.